Alright, so that is the busted up part. I'm about to get on off of there and swap it out. This is how these pins go back on, so don't forget it. Next, so we'll put them out here. Put them here, get the washer. Don't lose the washer, whatever you do. There's one. Right there. Here's another one. Right there. Get the washer off. And we can probably leave everything else on. So let me see here how this comes off. Right like that. Oh, dropped it down there. Got it out. Get it down here. And one here. Alright, so we got them off of there. That's all good. Now we gotta get the front piece off, maybe. I don't think I got to, but maybe I will. Get the whole thing. Put this over here where it needs to go. Right quick. Alrighty, okay. This goes on this side, this goes on this side. Put them all in order that can come on. And get the other one off over here. Go ahead and get the other guy off of there. Like so. Like so. Like so. Right here. We can leave him on, I guess. Just fall off and mix shit up. Alright, so get to the front. We gotta get the whole rack up off the front. Let's see if we can drop it yet. Nope, you gotta come off right here. This guy comes undone. Right there. See how it looks? Use that hand. It's greasy. Greasy hand. That guy goes in there just like that. We should have one on the other side, I believe, maybe, or maybe not. But we'll pull it on out, and the whole thing should come on out of here, I believe so. Let's see if it comes out like so. Let's see. I'm really in there good. Let's see here. And get it. Okay, that comes out. And you got the washer up there. Get that washer out of there. And we should be able to get the whole thing on out of here now, I think. It might pop it off. Yes, indeed it. Yes, indeed it, baby. We can pull it right on that. And let's see what we got. Alright, the only problem is we got to get the belts off too. So figure out the belts are routed. See how they all go on. Go back and look if we need it. Them belts over here. Go ahead and get a good view of these belts. It goes around like that one, and that goes around like that one. Okay. Gotta get this whole thing down. I don't know how the heck we're gonna do that. We got bolts here. We're gonna drop this piece down out of there. I guess and get the steering rod from the top up and out is the best way to do this, I'm assuming. I pop that piece up forward like that. And back behind there is where the steering column shaft goes. We're gonna get someone getting there. I don't know how the heck we're gonna get up in here though. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. Get the battery compartment out of there. Battery up out of there. And down there we gotta go. So that's cool. Goes in here like this. Let's see, like this. Make sure you have something to look at later is all. Oh, let's see here. And see the pulleys look okay. They're okay. A little bit wobbly. I don't know. What do you think? Let's see here. They feel kind of loose to me, but hey, what do you know? We have to do what we gotta do. Anyway, that one goes back up in here with this. Oh, this side over here, so we'll put it back over here. Alright, that sounds good to me. Let me check it over here. So we got holding on over here. Alright, these arms can come loose. I'm assuming this space gotta come off here. These arms gotta come out. Right on in there like that. We got one arm there. One arm over there, right? Yeah, gotta zip them off of there and pull the whole piece up out of there. I believe how it's gonna go. And that should be good to go like that. Let's see it. We should be able to get it on down and get the whole piece out. I think it should come on out. Let me see what we got going on. I'll be back. Alright, so with this guy right here, this goes up on both sides like this and around. Like so. You see that? Up and around on both sides. So you gotta smoosh it in and pull it up and around. And this goes right here, back on like that. I'm gonna slide the whole piece out now. It should all come out in one assembly. I think, what's that cable on my way? Let me see if we can get to it with the cable on. I don't think we can though. Let me just make sure. Gotta pull that cable out. It goes in there, just one little thing right there is all. Just like this. You see that cable? You see it? We just gotta go ahead and pop him out of there. Like so, like so. That's all. Let me pop this guy right here too. So. Like that. And we pop the cable out. Make sure that comes out of there properly. It pops back in properly. It's only gonna be the only problem there. Just like that. Let's see if I can pull it out. Kind of a pain. I don't know how this comes out of here. Good. That's definitely fine. Let me just stick it back in there. So, we gotta get these bolts off to get the rack down on the way. They're held on. You gotta pull up. Is all we gotta pull up. And oh, it's already down. Okay, cool. That's off. All right, let me go ahead and we'll see here. You gotta pop him out somehow. I don't know how the heck it comes out. It is definitely in there pretty damn good. I'll tell you that much. Now, I don't understand that. What the heck is going on? It should just pop on up, right? You would think so. Let me see if I can put a little pressure on it, pop it loose. A little pressure on this guy here and pop her out of there. Let's see. Pop her on up like that. All right, so that's the whole rack out right here. Get the whole piece out there. And this is the cable we took off. This kind of slips in and pops out right here. That's that piece, okay? And we got access to what we got to get to now. We got to do next is take this pieces off, these bolts here off. I believe we got to come off, just like so. We got bolts here. You should be able to replace that. If you can get a wrench up in there, I don't think we can though. Anyway, that's how all that stuff goes. You see here? Get a light up when you can get a better view of all this stuff right here. Be nicely done. There we go. All right, so we got to get. All right, perfect. And that is the teeth. Okay. Better start to wear. And that whole bushing's going bad, it looks like to me, baby. Yes, it does. You got to get up in there and bust him up out of there. Is it broken? I hope not. I sure hope not. Let me just go ahead and turn this sucker around. Slipping all over the place here. Don't go right at all. It's really messed up. We got to make sure we keep this thing lined up. And it ain't going to be lined up right here. We got to line it back up and get it back. See, it's just slipping all around like that. All right, I'll get it back up view like this. That way is not good. Try to straighten her out all the way. It's all the way to the right. It's all the way to the left. That should be in the middle, something like that, right? So make sure up here, I'll be looking on top. And it should be like this, all the way to the right. And all the way to the left, see here? They're gonna get hung now. Definitely getting hung. That is all the way one way, I believe, isn't it? Yes, it is. Back, like that. Just like that. All the way that way. Keep on going forever that way. Look at that guy. Keeps going forever. Try to get it back to the center is all. Best we can, if we can help it. Straighten her out. That's what we got to do. Somehow that thing's all jacked up, ain't she? Yes, she is. I'm sliding all around side. Silly sideways, baby. Let me just go ahead and see what's happening down here. That is not too good if I can't get the damn thing to move at all, right? Oh no, don't fall off of there, you dumb idiot. God dang it. God dang it. There we go. Okay, now that should be good. Pretty dead center, like we want it. Pretty dead center. You see what I got in there? Dead center. Just like so. And there were two bolts and once we got. How many teeth we got? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 25 teeth. Perfect count. I got a perfect one. All right, we get these bolts off and we'll make it happen, Captain. All right, so right here, we got all this stuff off here. This is off, this off. So we look down in here, we got everything. Yeah, this pop back on. You just have to use right here. I use a 13 millimeter to hold it. And you zip it off with a 15. And I just reuse these. They look okay. A little bushing grease on it, can't hurt. Same over here. And then you just replace this plate. Make sure these teeth, I believe I have it the right direction. Hope it's not the wrong way. But when you put these back on like this, it has to be facing with the nipples facing downward. And then once you do that, you should be able to link everything else back on right here. So these bushes right here look good, and then we just have to fish that back into that hole right there. All right. Right up in there till you can leave that collar. It's fine. And I'm checking up the top of the collar. Double check my plate. You can see the plate here, and also matches with this part up. With these teeth have to be up right here. So you see how this comes off? And it came off. It swung out. You can see right here. This is where the bolt swung on. So clearly this was the bottom end, and so this has to be. Like I said, the nipples right here are up, and they're up. Teeth are up. So teeth need to be upward. Like that, and it's hot, so it's humid. But anyway, the teeth are upward there. You can tell right there, and See that? Hold on a second. I'm telling you that. Triple check that. That may be downward. I don't know why. I think that's different. I need to double check my other video, make sure. Yeah, but this part here too. So this has to be, goes up in there like this. That's why I took videos and pictures of the other ones before I took them off. That could have got mixed around. I don't know how that's possible. How in the world, but it could have. So I'm gonna double check it. Maybe put some Loctite on this guy as well. But that shouldn't be bad. You have to have to make sure that's the right way. So I gotta triple check that. But it should be good, because that would have been rubbing right there. I can't really see. Hang on a second. Let me make sure real quick. I'm gonna check this. Yeah, all that goes back on like that. Stuff back on. I can't like get in here. Turn this fan off before I die. Heat exhaust. But yeah, that should all go back there. Right here like that. So let me see if I can see where these teeth were rubbing at. Makes sense to me. If you look up top, you see where the teeth were at. So I'm thinking the teeth went downward. Let me double check. All right, so that's all wrapped up. Let's make sure this goes back on like this. That's the old one. This needs to go back on. These teeth face upward. Here's the new one. Make sure they're the same teeth, which they are. You can match these here with that. And in here, we're good. So right here, these teeth need to be downward. That was the only issue I was having. And that just slips right on back up into here. And then you got to hold them with the 15 behind it, which is the tough part coming up. I'm going to have to hold it and put them in there. It's kind of the sucky part, but we can get it done. It ain't that bad. Basically, you slip it back up in. We'll put this piece on last. So I'm going to put it over here for now. All right, so this right here, you have to go like this. Right up in here, and then you need to line up the steering wheel with it. But that is fine. That should help the collar in there, should help line everything up. And all that should be perfect, and it should steer perfectly after this. Gotta slip the belt back on through all that afterwards. I'm gonna go ahead and put these up in here with the 2 bolts over there and get that on. I'm gonna thread them with my hands and then wrap it up like that. Over here to this. So right here we got both of these with our new sleeve with the washer. You should get the washer on the outside, it's very important. Washer on whatever you do. And I'm gonna put one in at a time. This one's good to go right up here in the front. Right here, you got one here to hold that up into there, and then you're gonna have one in the back that holds this part into here. So that I'm gonna have to look how to do it. You gotta hold it with the 15 as you do it. I'm gonna climb underneath here and do that right now. Let's line up, let's see. I counted the teeth over, so we should be perfect. 12 teeth on both sides. And then we gotta line up that collar. This guy right here. This goes up in here. Just make sure it'll fit properly. I'm gonna have to probably lift it up when I put it in. Just gotta get with the teeth up this way, like this. So these teeth have to be upward. And it's got a spot on there. We got it near perfect though, or everything won't quite go right. All right, I'm not missing anything. I'm not forgetting it. Perfect. All right, we're gonna have to just finagle this guy in there. It's got a groove on there. I gotta match it. That's all. So, right there. So these collar, it should be about perfect. There we go. Just like that. And now, that ought to be perfect. Now, we'll snug everything else up, get the bolt back on there, and we should be good to go. I'm gonna put a little bearing grease on there for you too. That's why I got the bearing grease out over there. It should be perfect though. Just like that. Make sure that nut goes on one way. This goes like this. Get it. Screw that up. The teeth on this. I was very careful with it. Okay, let's get it go. All right, give me a second. Oh, shoot. All right, hit the grease on there. It looks good. Snug it all up. Got the washer on. So that washer gives it just enough room for it to move perfectly. Okay. Got it in the perfect position. Just count 12 teeth on both sides. 25 total. So right in the center. I'll just stand on it straight. All right, good to go. Oh yeah. Night and day. Perfect. Well, that's good. All right, so here. 310s, boom, boom. I guess that should be fine there. This comes off here. And then we'll have to, I guess, move this back to get this off. Move this back to get that off. And I'll have to take the pulley off here, I guess. I have to. There's no way to get it off. So I gotta put the pulley off to get it off. Damn. Okay. Like that. Alright.